Are you looking to seamlessly export Thunderbird mailboxes to your Yahoo account? Welcome to WholeClear Thunderbird to Yahoo Converter. This process is simple and hassle-free. Here's how you can do it step by step. Key features of the WholeClear Thunderbird to Yahoo Converter. Smart export of Thunderbird to Yahoo Mail. Automatic export of Thunderbird mailboxes. Windows-based program. Preserves mailbox hierarchy during migration. Steps to import Thunderbird mailboxes to your Yahoo Mail account. Step 1. Install and launch the WholeClear Thunderbird to Yahoo Converter on your Windows machine. Step 2. Choose Thunderbird default location and click on Next. Step 3. Select Thunderbird file loading options and add Thunderbird mailboxes for conversion. Step 4. Select Yahoo account under the export options to prepare for migration. Step 5. Enter Yahoo account login details and hit Authenticate User. Step 6. Choose a folder in Yahoo account or create a new folder to save Thunderbird email items. Step 7. Click the Upload Now button to initiate the migration process. By following these straightforward steps, you can effortlessly transfer Thunderbird emails to your Yahoo account. Once completed, simply log into your Yahoo account and access the migrated emails there. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.